tunafanya.
Kadhi weche mag timbe manodhi e piny tuke mag Afrika ma Ugwe, tim tuk badminton mar skund sekondar mar Ng'ala ne yudo rwak makende ka giwuok e piny Rwanda, kama tuke mag sekondar ma pinje Afrika ma Ugwe osebedo ka tuge kendo oserumo. Timno manoting'o bendera mar Kenya ne otieko namba 4 ka timbe mag Uganda kao namba 1 nyaka 3. Kocha mar timno Titus Ogola ne yango ni e tielo mar higa mabiro gibiro rakore mano ni giting'o kombe. Japuonjre Karl Max Omondi kod James Ochieng ne yango ni tukego ne tek, kata kamano giyudo lony. Japuonj maduong' mar skundno Lucas Olunja ne opoyo timno ka onyiso yie mare makende ni higa manyien gibiro timo makare.
We introduced this game in this school in 2015, and then all along we had struggled. The first time we went to the national was 2017. Then in 2018 we went to the national with 3 students. All of them qualified, and that year also we went to Rwanda with 3 boys in 2018. Then in 2019 we took 2 to Arusha, and they were Kenya 1 and Kenya 2. Both of them are now at the university, one in Maseno, one in KU, and they're still active players. They are now playing in the senior league.
He has to pull up, and also he has to engage into training again. He should not be proud of himself that much that he has made it at Fomiti. We know that being there at Fomiti is a privilege. Yeah, you have the experience there, so when you come next time, you know what they're playing.
We give a lot to athletics and football, why we ignore some of these games. But we have a lot of talents in sports like badminton. I want just to urge the government the same way Kenya is known with there's a power in athletics. I think we can also develop for badminton so that these talents can also be a powerhouse.